Hey guys, welcome back to another video. எல்லாத்துக்கும் வணக்கம். Today I'm going to cook jollof rice and some fried chicken. The fried chicken is a more like African style, maybe Nigerian style. I'm going to be deep frying it. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do it. The jollof rice is famous in Nigeria. நான் வந்து jollof rice பண்ண போறேன். Jollof rice என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நம்ம இது புலாவ் ரைஸ் மாதிரி இல்லனா பிரியாணி ரைஸ் மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஆனா உங்களுக்கு காட்றேன் பாருங்க எப்படி பண்றது அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு. Let's go to the kitchen. So you guys can see here I have a tomatoes, red bell pepper, and this is a scotch bonnet. This is the spicy one, and I have some onions. So why I'm cutting like this, I'm gonna blend them together, and I have a rice, salt, and chicken. They usually boil the chicken, but I put seasoning, some salt, some curry powder, then I put in the oven. So it's ready to go in the oil. And I have a ginger, garlic. I'm gonna blend them together. I have a blender, some tomato paste, some curry powder, some bay leaves. So let's fry the chicken first. Here I have the chicken. Let me put in the oil. So I put in the oil, guys. You guys can see it. So we can go check later. Right now, what I'm going to do, I've already show you guys what I have: tomatoes, onions, scotch bonnet. This is a spicy, and this is a red bell pepper. And I'm going to put the ginger, garlic, and also I have a thyme, fresh thyme. I'm going to use I have a dry thyme too here. Blend together everything. Okay. So I blend it nice like this. Yeah, I'm gonna put it here. This one is gonna be very spicy, guys. I mean, if you guys use it already, people watching from Africa, thank you so much, guys. Watching from any country, thank you so much for watching our video. We really appreciate, you know. First time I'm cooking jollof rice. Hopefully it's gonna come out good. You guys can see here. So what I have to do, I have to put in oil and fry this one with some tomato paste. I got it from Costco, and I put all the ingredients and salt. I don't have a chicken cube, so what I'm going to I'm going to use the chicken stock. I saved it from when I was cooking chicken.
The chicken is looking good.
Yeah, it's changing color. Yep, I wanted to leave it a little bit, you know, getting good color. Since the chicken cooked already, all I need getting good color. That's it. We don't fry the chicken. We usually put in the oven and it's already ready to go. Since I want to go more authentic, like goes with the jollof rice, put it on the top. It's time consuming, but you know, jollof rice we go to sometimes African restaurant. It's so good, guys. They have the spicy taste and tomato flavor. Oh my god, this is kind of same like a tomato rice. நம்ம தக்காளி சாதம் மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஆனால் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பைசி, நம்ம ஊர் ஸ்பைசி டிஃப்ரெண்ட், இவங்க ஒரு ஸ்பைசி கொஞ்சம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். ஆனால் வந்து சாப்பிட்றதுக்கு வந்து சிமிலராக இருக்கும். நம்ம டொமேட்டோ ரைஸ் இல்லைன்னா நம்ம வந்து வெஜ்ஜி பாத் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம், இல்லைன்னா தக்காளி பாத் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம்ல, அது மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஆனால் வந்து பயங்கர டேஸ்ட்டாக இருக்கும். அதான் சொல்கிறேன், நம்ம ஊருக்கு இந்த ஊருக்கு கொஞ்சம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டு, ஆனால் வந்து டேஸ்ட் வைஸ் செம்மையாக இருக்கும், ஆனால் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். Chicken is ready. The chicken is ready. You guys can see here. This is a whole chicken. One whole chicken. I debone it. I cut it myself. So the same part you guys see, I was frying here. So I already washed it. I'm gonna use the same oil. I strain oil and I clean it. So I'm gonna put this one here. I'm going to put this tomato, all the paste. I put the tomatoes, onions, garlic, ginger. Once the oil is ready. It's taking forever.
Hey Kyle.
Kyle, what are you doing? Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
எல்லாத்துக்கும் வணக்கம். Habari. Barigani. Vanakkam. Muzuri sana. Kyle is funny. She was talking to my mom today, and she wants to go to India so bad.
Right? Everybody miss her.
Yeah. So it's hot already. Careful, Gani. I'm going to put this one here.
Okay.
Yep. So it's gonna get boiled right now. Yeah, I have a tomato sauce here. I'm gonna put the tomato sauce here too.
Wow. Jollof rice.
Jollof rice.
Jello rice.
Jello rice.
Wow.
So
Leave your comment down below. Share with us how you make your jollof rice.
Yeah, everybody's different, guys. This is what I got it from online. You know, this is the first time I'm also cooking. Yeah.
So yeah, share with us and let us know how Appa did it.
Yeah. Yep, I put some oil. You guys can see here.
Wow.
And let the tomato cook, and I will show you guys. Maybe it takes like it's gonna maybe take 20. No, maybe 20 minutes. You know, another thing I find out cooking African food, it takes forever. I don't know. Let me know if I'm wrong. Because every time I cook Indian food, I cook 4 or 5 food. You guys saw that in Pongal video, right?
Yeah.
I cook 5-6 food in like less than like 2-3 hours. But only I'm cooking 2 food, jollof rice and chicken. It takes forever. Oh my god. Yep, I'm gonna keep it closer, guys, and I was gonna show you guys in 30 minutes. Guys, this one is literally 30-40 minutes later.
It's taking forever, but it looks good.
It looks good, right?
Yeah.
You know what I'm gonna do? Since it looks good, I'm going to add salt, bay leaf, thyme, and some curry leaves. I'm gonna keep it close again. So I have some thyme here. So this is fresh thyme. I'm gonna put inside. So I'm gonna open again, maybe in another 30 minutes. I want to let all the water go away. Then I'm gonna put the rice and I will finish it off, guys. Looking good. Ooh, smells good. I mean, I already put salt. I'm gonna put some rice, guys. I already soaked the rice. Yep, I put rice already. I'm gonna put some chicken stock. This is a bone broth I have. The same like a chicken stock. I put rice already. Once the rice a little bit cooked, I'm gonna cover the rice and leave it like 10 to 15 minutes. Once rice cooked, that's it, guys, ready to go. That's the jollof rice.
Oh wow.
Yep.
I can't wait to test this. This is really cool. Like, we never ever cooked this kind of rice before. We never cooked. This is gonna be a great time for us to test jollof rice. We tested in the restaurants.
Yeah,
right?
in the restaurant. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like the color.
Really
I hope it's gonna be, you guys gonna like it.
Hopefully.
Let me know, guys. Like I said, this is my first time. Yeah, this is my first time, you know. Hey guys, the food is ready here. I'm gonna open it. Wow, let me see.
This is looking good.
Let me know, guys, how I cook. Like I said, this is the first time. Ooh, it looks good for me.
It looks really good.
Yeah. Jollof rice is ready. My wife is gonna taste.
Today you decided to cook jollof.
Yeah, African
jollof
style.
rice.
I always cook Indian food. If you guys wanna watch about our life journey, our lifestyle, our cooking, all kind of stuff you guys can see in the video.
Go ahead and check our video,
Yeah.
and don't forget to subscribe.
Yes,
share
guys.
our video to your friend and your family.
Look at this, today I'm in African outfit too.
How do you guys like it? It's so cool. This is super cool. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you so much. This was super nice. I mean, I was in the back recording all this footage. What are you doing?
Yeah, she's been cooking. I'm just getting ready to eat.
No, afterwards I'm supposed to test first, right?
Okay, test and let me know, and they can see it if I did good.
But
you have to tell the truth though.
Alright, so we tested jollof rice
in the restaurant. We have a video. We're gonna put in the description below.
Yeah.
Go check it out. Let me know, baby. How do you like it?
The spicy tomato, so delicious.
Spicy? Run. Thumbs up or thumbs down or thumbs in the middle? Thumbs up? Oh, you're so nice, Kyle. Okay, I'll let Kyle go.
He can cook African food.
Spicy, the Scotch bonnet.
So delicious, guys. Let me try the chicken.
Let me try the chicken too.
Wow, this is super cool.
Oh yeah, it's good, guys. Spicy.
This is so good. First time. Even our little puppy is like, I can't wait to eat the meat right here next to him. Yeah, but this is really great. Good job, baby. You did a great job. The spicy tomato.
The good thing I like it, I put a lot of tomatoes. I don't even taste that much tomatoes.
No.
But I can still feel, I put only 3 Scotch bonnet pepper. I I can feel that one is spicy.
Little bit spicy, maybe.
Yeah, I mean,
not too much. Comparing to Indian food.
Oh yeah, this is like I said, this Nigerian spicy is a different spicy than Indian spicy.
Yeah.
This one I can feel it. An Indian spicy, you eat it and you don't feel that much. But still.
Let me give this to Lulu. I like the way you like fry the chicken. It's really tastes like an African style.
Yeah, I want to cook one day goat, and my wife wants to cook chicken biryani again.
Yeah.
But buy a chicken biryani. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. If you guys like this video, guys, you guys know what to do.
Leave a thumbs up
and
share, like, and subscribe
to our channel.
I just wanted to say thank you so much for everyone who have been subscribing. Thank you for all your support, guys. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here sharing all this with you guys. Thank you again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye bye.